Why do some people give up after the first setback, while others celebrate failure and come back stronger? Do you ever wonder if it's all about talent, luck, or IQ? You're wrong. The biggest barrier holding you back is a hidden setting in your brain called a fixed mindset. If you don't change this default setting, you'll never reach your true potential. This is the psychological secret that high achievers use to turn every setback into a superpower. This groundbreaking system was uncovered by Dr. Carol Dweck from Stanford University. She discovered that humans operate with one of two core mindsets. A fixed mindset believes your intelligence and talents are unchangeable. You fear challenges and see failure as the end of the road. But the world's greatest innovators and entrepreneurs operate with a growth mindset. They believe any skill, any trait, can be developed through effort. Your fixed mindset brain whispers, "I'm either good at this or I'm not." This forces you to avoid challenges, because failure simply proves your lack of talent. You avoid effort because you don't want to expose your limitations. The result, you get stuck. You secretly envy others' success, and you live in constant fear of making mistakes. Does that sound familiar? But a growth mindset brain shouts, "I haven't learned it yet." Failure isn't a verdict. It's information. You see challenges as the greatest opportunities for growth. Every mistake is a valuable lesson fueling your progress. This is why they ultimately win. While fixed mindset individuals wait for talent, growth mindset people are literally rewiring their brains with every single effort. So, how do you shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset? It's not magic. It's a science-backed 3-step blueprint you can practice every day, starting now. Step 1. Change your language. Your brain listens to the words you use. The moment you catch yourself saying, "I'm not good at math," immediately reframe it to, "I haven't learned math yet." That powerful word, "yet," literally activates the growth circuitry in your brain. This simple trick is a game changer. Step 2. Praise the process, not just the outcome. This is crucial for parents, teachers, and even how you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, "Wow, you're so smart for getting a perfect score," say, "Wow, the effort you put into studying really paid off." Or for yourself, "My consistent effort today was excellent." By praising the process, you condition your brain to value effort and persistence, not just innate talent. This builds resilience. Step 3. Embrace failure as your ultimate feedback. Stop seeing failure as a condemnation. Instead, treat every failure as a scientific experiment. It simply tells you, "This method didn't work. Now you try a different approach." That's it. Think of famous inventors. Edison didn't fail 10,000 times. He found 10,000 ways that didn't work. This perspective turns painful setbacks into powerful data for your next success. So you've seen the blueprint. Your problem isn't talent. Your problem is mindset. Stop working hard. Start thinking smart. Your old fixed habits are comfortable, but they keep you stuck. Your new growth mindset techniques guarantee results. The challenge is simple. Starting today, whenever you find yourself criticizing your abilities, just add the word "yet." See how your life transforms. Hey, thanks for sticking with me. If you found this blueprint valuable, remember I explore and simplify complex concepts like this every week. If you want more actionable insights from the best books and research, and you want to keep growing, hit that subscribe button. And you can find the cheat sheet for this entire growth mindset system on our Telegram channel. Link is below. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.